which is cheating, and it
I'm done, but
we are not trained to handle ammunition. So when you tell teachers to go and seek refuge at a police camp, at a military camp, you are exposing us.
We must come up with a mechanism to see how best we can secure the life of our teachers. This should be a holistic issue, and it should have a holistic approach between the parents, the security agents, and the teachers, so that we see how best we, hata kama ni kufanya walimu walale ndani ya msikiti, we must see the best way how we can take care of the life of our teachers.
Therefore, we have recommended that in every school we must have teachers' houses constructed through the support of respective national government CDF funds. We are also calling upon other development partners to come forward so that we can support our teachers. But then when it comes to security, what we are saying is that it is the responsibility of us all, tukiwa wazazi, tukiwa viongozi, kuhakikisha kwamba wale walimu ambao wamepelekwa katika sehemu hizo kufunza katika hiyo mashule wamepatiwa usalama ya kutosha.